Hi there, welcome to the tvONE booth here at ISE 2024. This is a really quick video just to tell you about CORIOmaster2 LITE. It's the first time we've talked about it at ISE is this year. And this is a graphic of it. The best place to find out information is just go to our website. But essentially, it's for those projects when you don't need a full CORIOmaster, but you still want the 4K performance, 40 4K windows at the same time. And it comes in several derivatives, off the shelf, really quick to ship. So, we're shipping within days, not weeks, not months, days with this. So find out more about CORIOmaster2 LITE. Just go to our website and it's got the whole story on there and you can see the inputs, the outputs, how it all works. If you go to tvONE.com, drop down video processors, CORIOmaster2 LITE, off you go. It's a great little product. We've started having some great success with it for the applications. It's kind of 18 4 out, that kind of size, the medium size. It's a great price point as well. So reach out to us if you want to know more at tvONE.com. My name's Mark. Thanks so much for joining us.